So let's calm ourselves. Make sure that, if you are with your earphones, that will be fantastic. Listen this with your earphone. If not, just find a nice spot where you can focus and truly feel the vibrations and the intention that comes from Savy. So with that, I'll pass back to Savy.
So welcome in whoever that wants to join this short sound bath. You can get comfortable in a seated position, or you can actually you can actually lie down on a mattress or somewhere that's comfortable for you. Okay? So first of all, just get comfortable whether you're lying down or sitting up. If you're sitting up, allow the spine to just lengthen all the way up. And just roll the shoulders back. And begin to close your eyes. And take a very deep breath. Inhale. And hold the breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale out through the mouth. Relax. One more time. Inhale. Now hold it right at the top. Exhale, release. One last round. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. So just take this time, relax. Allow the sounds to cleanse your auric field or to help you remove whatever that no longer serves you. So using your intention, whatever that no longer serves you, let it be washed away by the sounds. Just let your breath be long and deep, gentle and smooth. Relax your head space. Relax your facial muscles. Your jaw. Relax your throat. Relax your shoulders. Relax your heart. Relax your stomach. Relax the whole back muscles. The lower back, the hips. Relax your thighs, your knees, calf muscles, your heels, right down to your toes. Soften your arms, right down to your fingertips. Now visualize a shower of bright lights pouring down from the sky, coming into your space, letting these bright lights help to cleanse every part of you, and let the sound of the bowls to weave into your physical body, your emotional body, and the mental body. Focusing on your heart, soften into your heart. Place your intention, whether you want to let go or you want to embody a state of being. And affirm that intention, focusing that intention for 2 to 3 breaths. Now take 1 deep healing breath. Inhale. Exhale out through the mouth. And very slowly, you may begin to bring your awareness back. Back to your body, and back to your breath. When you're ready, you may slowly open up your eyes.